Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So let's begin with our discussion on today's topic, that is past continuous tense. So the positive case of past continuous tense consists of first form of verb plus ing, including its helping verb that was and were, and we use was with he, she, it, name plus I, and we use were with we, they, you. So there is a little bit difference in the singular subject as well as plural subject, because we put I in the singular category and we use was with I. For example, they were purchasing things from the market. They is a plural subject, so we use were, and purchasing because of first form of verb plus ing. In the second sentence, like I was present yesterday, so I is a, as we already know that we previously discussed, that I is basically a plural subject in all of the previous cases that we discussed already. But in this case, like past continuous tense, in the positive case, we used it as a singular subject. So we use was with I. In the third sentence, like they were writing together, they is a plural subject, so that's why we use were, and writing because of first form of verb plus ing. In the fourth sentence, like she was making food yesterday, she is a singular subject, so that's why we use was, and making because of first form of verb plus ing. In the fifth sentence, like I was making cards for my friends, I is basically a singular subject in this case, so that's why we use was, and making because of first form of verb plus ing. And the negative case is just like that, we just put not in the all of the positive sentences. Like for example, they were not writing together. Previously we said they were writing together. In the second sentence, like they were not purchasing things from the market. Previously we said they were purchasing things from the market. In the third sentence, like she was not making food yesterday. Previously we said she was making food yesterday. In the fourth sentence, like I was not present yesterday. Previously we said I was present yesterday. In the last sentence, like I was not making cards for my friends. Previously we said I was making cards for my friends. So the simple rule in the negative case of past continuous tense is that we simply put not with was or were. The third case is interrogative case. We simply put helping verb at the start of the sentence to ask question. For example, were they purchasing things from the market? The second sentence is was I present yesterday? The third sentence is was I making cards for my friend? The fourth sentence is was she making food yesterday? The last sentence is were they writing together? So in all of these 5 sentences, we will see that how helping verb comes at the beginning of the sentence, because rest of all the sentence remains same, but were or was, that is a helping verb of past continuous tense, comes at the beginning or the start of the sentence. So it makes an interrogative case or interrogative sentence. Like if the first question, if we see we see the first sentence, like were they purchasing things from the market, if it is a positive sentence, we see that they were purchasing things from the market, we simply transform into an interrogative case, like we simply put were at the beginning of the sentence and rest of all the sentence remains same. So it is a simple rule of interrogative case that we simply put helping verb at the beginning of the sentence to ask question. So these are just the rules of past continuous tense. The simple rule is that we use helping verb was and were, and with I we also use was, and we use first form of verb plus ing, and in the negative case we use simply not with were and was, and in the interrogative case we simply put helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. So that's all from my side. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching.